Okay, here I'm testing the thing. This is exactly what I wanted you to do last time. Stick a diode and float the ground. Of course, this time I'm using a different source. That's a 12 volt supply. I tried with a couple of supplies, and one a 24 volt DC-DC conversion and another 12 volt, and I measured the noise level. Of course, in this environment I'm getting very little, like something like 6 millivolt of noise. Not an issue. This diode will stop that if you want it. And if you want to float this, now of course now this is floated, and now anything, and the frame is not even grounded. These frame screws are not even grounded. So it is so there's no other way grounds can come to onto the frame. And the only way is through one of these, this being grounded. So now that is floated. And these are things that I wanted to know. And there was looks like, this is why I sometimes find it difficult. You need people to understand these kind of things. Okay? It's not that complex. Okay, anyway, what I will do is, and this cable, in case the sender is power supply, I'm a DC, 12 or to 24, I can try both, no difference actually. The either side are tied to, of course one is defined as ground, DC ground, the other one is frame ground. Okay, but it is not this frame. Okay, but behind, yes, the metal body. Okay, and when you go behind, you see there are 3 points entering here. It is exactly what you have. Both the extremes are, one is DC ground and the frame ground, which are tied together internally, so you can't float it anyway. So that's the one. I can either do it inside the cable or do it there. Okay, that's all I can give you this one in case you want, so that it becomes isolated. You just need to tie it to this is AC 230 in. I will label it for you. See whether that helps, coming from a different source and totally floated. And this body is not grounded also. So when you tie this is not connected in. Of course, the outputs, I have not measured that yet. I will verify that as well. The output 6-pin connectors, these connectors, this is what goes to the relay. I want to know with relation to that whether there's any noise. I'll measure that. And after that, this will be packed and sent to you. Because you seem to be in a hurry, but I'm not too sure whether you're going to install anything at all. Yeah, maybe you're thinking the gauge has got any problem. No, it is your environment, or maybe the way it's not floated.